Hello, my name is Janelle. I am going to be reviewing and giving a peer feedback to this website, The Busy Bee. Overall, it looks good. With the color scheme, even the pictures looks good together. And I love the simplistic look. Nice gallery. Here I would probably just change the names, or maybe just take it off. It's also nice. I like the color scheme here. Really nice. This color here kind of throws me off just a little bit. I like how that pops out of the screen, it seems like. It's great. Great professional pictures. I guess the only thing I would comment on, if you're concerned about having professional pictures done for these, or the before and after in the services page. And I love the logo, and maybe if it was a little bit bigger, we're putting it somewhere else as a footer and a header as well. Overall, great job, and keep up the good work. Maybe I would put a looks like a lot of space right here. Just keep that considering. But great job.